The coffee really tastes like a light chocolate caramel flavor because the cat intestine made the coffee smooth caramel flavor because it reduces the caffeine and acidity of coffee. That is the reason it's the world's most expensive coffee. The name of the coffee called is Kopi Luwak. In abroad they call it Luwak, in India called civet cat coffee.
Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, The Traveling Family. I hope you all guys are doing fine and safe. So we are back with the yet another vlog, and this time we are staying for the long vacation, or rather a long weekend in the Club Mahindra Virajpet in Coorg. So without any wait, let's start this vlog. And vlog को चालू करने से पहले as usual चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और इस वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर जरूर कर दीजिएगा. Let's start the vlog. So Coorg, which is also known as the Scotland of India or Kashmir of South India, is home to many luxurious resorts. This is also the coffee capital of India. Earlier we have stayed here in Orange County, which is now known as Evolpac Coorg, and this time we are staying in the Club Mahindra Virajpet. So ये property around 30 acres में फैली है, and it has coffee plantation inside around in 14 acres, and the rest is with a resort. So resort is having around 180 units. And in the configuration of 1 bedroom or studio units. So we are staying in the 1 bedroom apartment, which is around 650 square feet, quite spacious and quite luxurious I would say. So मैं अभी आपको सबसे पहले रिजॉर्ट का एक टूर देता हूँ फ्रॉम द एंट्रेंस, पूरा रिजॉर्ट कवर करते हुए, and let's see how the resort is in a hyperlapse mode so that you can estimate how big the resort is. So this is the entrance of the resorts. Let's go inside the resort. I will show you all of the resort in a hyperlapse mode and we'll go straight towards the room tour. Let's see how big the resort is. और उसके लिए एक पैरामीटर मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. So right now my steps are 330. So room tour तक पहुँचते देखते हैं steps कितने काउंट होते हैं. Let's go for the room tour, or in fact I would say resort tour. So this is the reception area. Some fishes here. And a nice view of the resort, or top down. So नीचे यहाँ पे रेस्टोरेंट है, people are doing breakfast. नीचे जाके देखते हैं. These are the 2 restaurants here. This side, I think we have the gym here. Let's go and check that. A very basic one. And this side, okay. Perfect. Weights this side. Let's continue the hyperlapse. So we have reached our room. So total steps covered by me is 1694. around 1400. So that comes to, I would say, कि 700 मीटर के आसपास. Even though I have not covered the whole resort, but still 700 meter I have covered, so you can see how expansive this resort is. So let's go for the room tour. We are staying in the Clipper. So ये resort का theme पूरा butterfly के ऊपर है. So one of the butterfly name is Clipper. So ये जो पूरा compound है that is on the name of butterfly. और ये shape भी इसका butterfly के ऊपर है. So this Clipper houses 4 units, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right, Sia? Let's go for the room tour, okay? So room number 2012. So enter होते ही सबसे पहले लगेज के लिए कबर्ड, then one almirah, and right side में है the common area where we have the kitchen, refrigerator, microwave, tea, coffee, water, cutleries. We can cook something or heat something. We have Maggie, so we will prepare some Maggie. A nice dining table for 4 and a sofa cum bed with one smart TV here with minimalistic decoration. One air conditioner in the common room. Let's go towards that area, master bedroom. So queen size bed, one more television, a nice balcony, not balcony, I would say window. One more wardrobe, and this is the washroom. So Club Mahindra branded lotion, hand wash, shampoo, conditioner, and a rain shower. And the best part is the balcony. We can spend hours. यहाँ पे घंटों बिता सकते हैं हम, right? So we just came after a long drive from Bangalore. It's evening time. We are just relaxing in the balcony. सिया गई है वहाँ पे हैप्पी हब में प्ले करने के लिए. So we will go and catch her in some time. और वो भी आपको दिखाएंगे. But for the time being, we are sitting in balcony having a cup of coffee. The Kurg coffee. So ये है हैप्पी हब. Let's go check it.
Happy Hub is quite good.
Yeah. So these are the activities here. You can pause and see. And then there are a couple of shops. One is a Jawahar cloth और एक है coffee flavors of Kurg in men. And यहाँ पे civet coffee भी है जो आपने बाली में पी थी.
मैंने नहीं पी थी. आपने ट्राई किया था.
Let's go inside. So evening party की तैयारी हो रही है. सिया वो खेल रही है वहाँ पे. दिस इज़ अ नाइस, बच्चों के लिए काफ़ी एंगेजिंग. बच्चे यहाँ पे 2-3 घंटे आराम से टाइम स्पेंड कर सकते हैं. तो सिया यहाँ पे 1 घंटे से खेल रही है एंड वी वर रोमिंग अराउंड. सो ये गेम्स है यहाँ पे एंड द प्राइसिंग इज दिस. सो आई हैव टेकन द पैकेज ऑफ 1500 प्लस टैक्स इन विच आई हैव गॉट 25 पॉइंट्स टिल चेकआउट. सो पर गेम इज लाइक 1 कॉइन. सो पर गेम इज लाइक 80 रुपीज़ के आसपास. हाउ मेनी कॉइन्स यू यूज टुडे? हाउ मेनी कॉइन्स यू टुक? 10 coins. You spent 10 coins. 10 coins लेके खत्म कर दिए. So this is Happy Hub. So this is the pool area. और सिया करने वाली है ये वाली एक्टिविटी. सो यू विल बी एबल टू डू दिस. लेट्स सी. So let's talk about the restaurants here. So one is the Kurkenberg, which is a la carte restaurant, and the second one is the Aromas, which is a buffet restaurant. So let's go and check out the prices of the buffet. So as you saw, the prices of 2 meals, that is breakfast plus dinner for one person, that is member, is 3,100 something. After discount it will be around 2,300. So I would say कि for a family of 3, like 2 adults and 1 kid, it will come to around 2,300 into 2 plus बच्चों का भी 1,500 और पकड़ लो तो करीबन 6,000 rupees for one day. That is a bit pricey, so we have decided to go in the a la carte one for all 3 days, for buffet, for breakfast and for dinner also. Let me show you Kurgenberg from inside. So we have a thali here, regional veg thali, 950 plus taxes. So this is quite calm compared to the Aromas restaurant, which is a buffet. And let me show you the pricing here.
One कढ़ाई पनीर, one तंदूरी रोटी बटर and one तंदूरी नान. स्पाइसी नहीं करना कढ़ाई पनीर. एनीथिंग स्पाइसी भी नहीं. मुझे पालक पनीर करना.
So pricing is quite reasonable. So we have booked the 1-bedroom apartment for 3 nights and I hope you really like the video. लाइक अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड शेयर इसको ज़रूर कर देना. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी ज़रूर कर देना. और अभी बात करते हैं क्लब महिंद्रा की मेंबरशिप की. सो एज़ आपको पता ही है, मैंने मेंबरशिप 2018 में ली थी. मेरी मेंबरशिप ऑलरेडी वसूल हो चुकी है मेरे को जो इन्वेस्टमेंट मैंने किया था, एंड नाउ इट्स एन आइसिंग ऑन द केक. सो दिस 3 नाइट्स की वैल्यू आई वुड से कंजर्वेटिवली, अगर मैं मेक माई ट्रिप पे चेक करता हूँ इक्वलेंट रिजॉर्ट्स एंड इक्वलेंट यूनिट साइज, सो दिस कम्स टू अराउंड 12,000 to 15,000 रुपीज़ अ नाइट. सो 45,000 रुपीज़ के आसपास की वैल्यू रहती है. अगर मैं डिस्काउंट भी करता हूँ तो 30,000 रुपीज़ की तो पकड़ ही लो अगर आप. So that's a good value which I'm recovering now. It's an return on my investment because मेरा investment already वसूल हो चुका है क्लब महिंद्रा मेंबरशिप का. So if you are interested in the club महिंद्रा membership, which I would highly recommend, it's a great investment if you can plan your vacations better. So you can contact me. I have some very good agents who can give you some very good sign up offers. And along with that, if you take the club महिंद्रा membership, complimentary session from me on your personal finance, where I can teach you how to convert your spends into your luxury vacations by using credit cards. So that I will have a free session with you for 1 to whatever hours are required. I will do a free consultation of your whole personal finance. Along with that, I would like to recommend you, if you are trading, then you can sign up on Dhan using the referral link given in the description below. And also, if you want to apply for the Amex card, the link is in the description right now. Amex is only accepting the Platinum Reserve credit cards. So if you want to apply and get into the Amex world, you can apply from the link given in the description below. And for both Dhan and Amex Platinum Reserve, I can have a session with you on your personal finance if you apply for Amex card or if you open a Dhan account from the referral link given below. So मिलते हैं जल्दी ही नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में. ये ब्लॉग अच्छा लगा तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर ज़रूर कर देना. मिलते हैं जल्दी नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में. टाटा बाय बाय, जय हिंद.